Eggs had a poor reputation for a considerable amount of time because of the cholesterol that they contained, which previous research had strongly connected to heart disease. Recently conducted research, on the other hand, has demonstrated that there is only a weak connection between cholesterol in the food and cholesterol in the blood. To add insult to injury, research has demonstrated that eggs can be a nutritious component of a diet. Why do eggs qualify as a superfood? Not only do they include all 9 of the required amino acids, but they are also an excellent source of high-quality protein. They include a wide variety of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamins A, D, E, and K, as well as folate, selenium, and B vitamins. Additionally, they contain choline, which is a form of lipid that is essential for the correct functioning of cells. Eggs are versatile and can be consumed in a variety of ways, including scrambled, poached, hard-boiled, or in an omelette, as an egg salad sandwich or on a salad, deviled or used to casseroles, meatloaf or crab cakes as a binder, and to enhance the amount of protein being consumed. Diseases of the kidneys and eggs. CKD transplantation. Eggs are an excellent source of animal protein and phosphorus, both of which may be restricted in those with chronic kidney disease, CKD. Inquire with your kidney dietitian about the proper amount of eggs to consume. Eggs have a low salt and potassium content, which may allow them to be beneficial. If you consume a raw egg or a yolk that is still runny, you put yourself at risk of contracting a foodborne illness. When you have had a transplant, it is very important to consume only eggs that contain a yolk that has been cooked. 3 sessions of hemodialysis every week. When you're undergoing dialysis, your body requires additional protein. Eggs have the potential to be an excellent source of protein-rich foods. However, they do have a trace amount of phosphorus. Inquire with your kidney dietitian about the correct way to incorporate eggs into your diet. Home hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis performed on a daily basis, and at night, even more protein is required of you if you're receiving dialysis on a daily basis. Eggs have the potential to be an excellent source of protein-rich foods. However, they do have a trace amount of phosphorus. Inquire with your kidney dietitian about the best number of eggs to consume. Stones in the kidneys. It is not possible for eating eggs to have an effect on the formation of kidney stones. Egg muffins have a yield of 8 muffins. Components or components. 1 cup of red, yellow, and orange bell peppers should be exact. 1 cup of celery. 500 milligrams of ground pork. Poultry seasoning, 1/4 of a teaspoon. 1/4 of a teaspoon of powdered garlic. 1/4 of a teaspoon of powdered onion. 1/2 of a teaspoon of Mrs. R herb flavoring blend. 8 big eggs. 2 tablespoons of milk or a food replacement for milk. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is optional. In the first step of preparation, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and spray a muffin tray of regular size with cooking spray. 2. Chop the onion and bell peppers into very small pieces. 3. In order to prepare sausage, start by combining pork, poultry seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and Mrs. seasoning in a bowl. 4. Cook the crumbled sausage in a skillet that does not stick until it is done, then drain it. Fifth, combine the eggs, milk or milk substitute and salt in a bowl and beat them together. Add the crumbled sausage and the vegetables and mix everything together. 7. Pour the egg mixture into the muffin tins that have been prepped, being sure to leave room for the muffins to rise. For 18 to 22 minutes, bake the food. Some useful hints. You may make a speedy breakfast dish by freezing additional muffins and then reheating them in the microwave for 30 to 40 seconds. Nutrients in each serving, 1 muffin is considered a serving size. 154 calories in total. 1 gram of protein. 3 grams of carbohydrates. 10 grams of fat. 230 milligrams of cholesterol. 155 milligrams of sodium. Copper, 200 milligrammes. 124 milligrams of phosphorus. 27 milligrams of calcium. 0.5 grams of fiber. Sugar added, 0 grams. Subscribe for more videos.